In this first captivating Ring doorbell scene, we witness a daring nighttime intruder as he stealthily makes his way onto someone's property. With an air of confidence, he stylishly positions himself at the entrance of the porch, carefully surveying his surroundings and ensuring the coast is clear. As the tension builds, watch as he seizes the opportunity to grab a valuable item left outside. In this unexpected intense situation Ring doorbell footage, a complete stranger boldly enters someone's home without an invitation, catching the homeowner off guard. With a mix of shock and assertiveness, the homeowner quickly steps forward, firmly ordering the intruder to leave the premises immediately. In this eerie hours of the night Ring doorbell footage, a mysterious lady infiltrating someone's property. Her stealthy movements take her straight to the mailbox, where she quietly begins her illicit operation. With a quick and calculated sweep, she snatches all the mail within, leaving us all to wonder about her motive. In this heartwarming Ring doorbell footage, we witness a lady's unexpected visit to someone's front door. With a friendly demeanor, she presses the doorbell and, to our surprise, begins speaking directly to the camera. Her enthusiasm is contagious as she excitedly discusses what seems to be a surprise party invitation.
It's another lovely night. We get to party because the Mexicans say so. Let's go! Come on! The Mexicans say let's get up and let's everybody who don't want to party.
In this adrenaline-packed Ring doorbell footage, a car races through the city, desperately trying to evade the relentless pursuit of the police. The tension escalates as the driver maneuvers their vehicle to a point of no escape. Watch as the police officers, with determination in their voices, order the driver to surrender.
Let me see your hands. Get out of the car. Let me see your head. Get out of the car. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Walk towards me with your hands up. Walk towards me with your hands up. Come towards me. Right now.
In this bold and audacious act Ring doorbell footage, a masked man, shrouded in mystery, confidently approaches the residence, where he casually checks the mailbox. Unbeknownst to him, the doorbell camera captures every move he makes. But the audacity doesn't stop there. He brazenly snatches a recently delivered package that was meant for the homeowner. In this heart-pounding Ring doorbell footage, a driver throws caution to the wind, navigating the streets with a complete disregard for safety. The peace of the neighborhood is shattered by the screeching tires and high-speed maneuvers. In this jaw-dropping Ring doorbell scene, under the cover of night, two individuals brazenly invade a serene flower store, where the fragrant blooms and delicate arrangements contrast sharply with their destructive actions. With swift precision, they pilfer valuable items and wreak havoc, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. In this unexpected and awe-inspiring Ring doorbell scene, a moment of pure magic captured in a particular neighborhood. Imagine the serenity of the night sky when suddenly, a falling star graces the heavens. Our camera lens was in the right place at the right time, and it beautifully captured this celestial spectacle. In this intriguing Ring doorbell scene, a mysterious woman is spotted approaching someone's front door. In an unusual turn of events, she chooses the porch as her resting place. However, the vigilant homeowner quickly takes action, challenging her presence to ensure the safety of their property.
Okay, well move. Move. Are you lost?
Triangle, yes. Type of shit.
In this mystery late-night Ring doorbell scene, a lady carrying a bag approaches someone's front door, her intentions unclear. Watch as she cautiously tries to check if the door is unlocked, her actions raising questions about her motives. However, her attempts to access the property prove unsuccessful, leading her to depart. In this intriguing Ring doorbell scene, a man boldly enters someone's property. The tension mounts as the homeowner, quick to react, confronts the unexpected visitor. Watch as a series of probing questions ensue, shedding light on the stranger's presence in the dark hours.
Help you?
Knock.
Yes, can I help you?
Yeah, there's somebody out here with a gun.
What?
Shot.
There's somebody outside with a gun.
In this unexpected and somewhat bizarre Ring doorbell scenario, we find a man within someone's property, engaging in an unusual act of urinating on an air conditioner compressor. Suddenly, a stern voice pops up, warning the intruder to vacate the property immediately or face the consequences of police involvement.
This is Robert's security person by the fence. Disarm the system or leave the property immediately. If not, we will dispatch the police.
Oh, okay, well, I'm going to call that in a moment.
In this gripping Ring doorbell scenario, a teenager, fueled by some unknown impulse, marches up to someone's door and delivers a forceful kick. The impact resonates through the scene as the teenager swiftly retreats and makes a hasty getaway.
Look.
In this unexpected Ring doorbell scenario, a heavy wind sweeps through, unleashing its fury and wreaking havoc in front of someone's house. Objects are sent flying, chaos ensues, and the sheer force of the elements is on full display. In this gripping and suspenseful Ring doorbell clip, we witness the relentless determination of three masked individuals under the cover of night. Their dark intentions lead them to make several failed attempts to break into someone's house, but the homeowner's security measures prove unyielding. Frustration mounts as the intruders find themselves unable to breach the fortifications protecting the property. Their departure, marked by defeat. In this brief yet intriguing Ring doorbell moment, a man approaches someone's door with a stealthy intention. In a swift and covert move, he attempts to check if the door is unlocked, before departing as fast as he arrived. In this intriguing Ring doorbell moment, a mysterious lady stands before someone's house. She leaves a note for the homeowner, hinting at something that belongs to her inside the house. The enigmatic message promises her return to retrieve it. In this intense and unsettling Ring doorbell moment, the tranquility of the night is shattered as a group of masked men forcefully hijacks a car from its owner. The tension rises as the owner is left stranded, helpless in the wake of the daring carjacker's escape. In this mysterious and suspenseful Ring doorbell moment, a man approaches someone's door under the veil of darkness, attempting to open it before abruptly departing from the scene. The motives behind this enigmatic act remain concealed. In this heartwarming Ring doorbell footage, we witness a family's amusing daytime adventure right in front of someone's house. With laughter and excitement, the family embarks on an unconventional turkey chase, their determination evident as they aim to catch the turkey in plain view of the homeowner's door. The unexpected spectacle unfolds with joy and enthusiasm. In this unnerving Ring doorbell footage, our focus shifts to a hoodie-clad man, whose actions leave us with a sense of unease. As he looms in front of someone's house, he brazenly makes off with a wheelchair that was left outside. In this unexpected and unsettling Ring doorbell footage, we observe a lady who takes her frustration to a wooden gate in front of someone's property. She forcefully opens the gate and proceeds to unleash her anger by repeatedly kicking it. The sounds of her actions echo through the night, creating a surreal and tense atmosphere. As she departs, we are left to contemplate the motivations behind this startling outburst and the aftermath of her destructive actions. In this unexpected act of thievery Ring doorbell footage, we shift our attention to the world of art as a man makes his way into someone's art gallery. His intent becomes clear as he discreetly swipes a credit card from a wallet left on a chair inside the gallery. In this mysterious and surreal Ring doorbell footage, in the stillness, a man approaches the door and presses the doorbell. But the situation takes an unexpected and eerie turn, as the visitor's actions become increasingly enigmatic. He starts to act strangely, continuously pointing his finger without uttering a single word. The homeowner, perplexed and somewhat alarmed, cautiously questions the stranger's presence at his doorstep. However, what follows is a silence that grows increasingly uncomfortable as the visitor persists in his odd behavior, refusing to provide any explanation for his actions. The tension in the scene is palpable as the homeowner grapples with a decision. With the veil of night shrouding the stranger's intentions, the homeowner wisely chooses to prioritize safety and refrains from opening the door.
Get naked. Huh?
What?
Did you get?
You need to leave.
Hey, I'm
gonna get the calls on you if you don't leave. You need to leave or I'm gonna get the dogs on you. No. I'm gonna call the dogs on you.
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.